Connect your Instagram account and your Facebook page. So our first method is through your Instagram application. First, you have to switch to your professional account. And how to do this is by opening your Instagram application and convert your account to a professional account, simply by clicking the three bar icon located on the upper right corner. Open the menu, go to Settings and Activity, and scroll down and find Account Type and Tools. Select Switch to Professional Account. Finish the setup according to your needs. The actual process is by clicking on Professional Dashboard option. Step 2 is click on the gear icon located on the upper right corner. Click on Connect a Facebook page option and log into your Facebook account. Lastly, select your page and hit the Connect button. Our method 2 is through your Facebook application. Click on the menu option by clicking your profile on the upper right corner, select See More, and click on the Pages option. Switch to the page you want to connect with Instagram account. Go to the menu and click on Settings and Privacy. Go to Settings and click the Linked Accounts option. Click on Instagram option and connect your profile. And that is how you connect your Instagram with your Facebook page. Thank you for watching and subscribe for more content like this.